In this quick video, I just wanted to give you a quick overview of the range plan template and how to use it. You can download this template from the link below. So to start, you will find white cells and shaded cells in gray. You only want to edit the white cells because the shaded ones are formulated. At the top, you will enter information about the category of products and collection, and then you will enter your target margin, which you will get from your planner. This is the intake margin, which is the margin you price at before any markdowns or discounts. I've made another video on the difference between intake margin and realized margin, which you can view it from here. Just one note here, when you add more rows of products to the sheet by duplicating the demo ones, just make sure that the formula in the H column, which calculates the cost at target margin, always references the F3 cell, because copying it might change it, so just make sure to edit it to F3. Then you will start entering your products and the relevant information, such as style, materials, colorways, and size range. Then you will add the target retail price. This is based on the market price of the product that you expect to price it at. We have an entire pricing course on how to price a portfolio of products, which you can find in the Academy. Once you enter this number, automatically you will get the cost at target margin. This is simply the cost you should source the product at, so that you can achieve your planned or target intake margin. But you might not always be able to source the product at the target cost. So maybe you negotiated with the supplier, but you were only able to reduce the price to 8.2 but couldn't reach the target of 7.2. So you will enter the 8.2 in the actual cost column. You will see that the actual margin in this case will be 65.8, which is lower than the target of 70. But you will also see later that this is okay, since other products in the collection you might be able to source at higher margin than the 70, which at the end will still bring you to your overall target margin, as we are going to see now. Then you will enter the quantity that you will source, and this will automatically calculate total cost, retail, and margin for this product. You will apply the same process to other products in the range, and you can always extend the sheet by copying the rows, but as we mentioned, just make sure that the formulas stay intact. Then at the very end, you will get the totals for the entire order: cost, retail, and margin. And here you want to make sure that the target margin is as close as possible to the target intake margin at the top. So you can see here that while we were not able to source the first product at the target margin, we're still able to stay on target because we sourced the other products in the range at a lower cost than the budgeted one, and so a higher margin for these products.